Now this is Des?
Dobby.
Dobby. Hi, Dobby. And there's Mama. Oh, look at.
Dude, they were love at first sight, man.
Shut up. Oh my god.
Here they go. Zoomies. Stay out of the street. That's right. Good babies. Oh, listen. They listen to Grandma. They listen to Grandma.
Look at Seth. He's like, really?
So that's Mommy and Daddy, and this is Baby. Hi, Baby. This is Uno, the only one that was born. Yes, look at you. Calm down with her. What's up with me? My
He's
chopped
hot.
liver? She's what?
He's hot. He don't come outside a lot.
Oh, they're under the thing.
Is Wolf under there?
Yep.
Wolf, you get out of there. Get out of there now.
Good
Don't do
listening.
that. Oh, yeah, I got them.
What's underneath there?
They drink dirty water.
Ew. Oh, gagging.
She has kennel cough.
Oh, that's the kennel cough?
Yeah.
Oh, because she's been running.
Yeah.
Hi, and this
Hi,
one,
she's
this
excited.
one is Sass. Hi, Sass. Hi. Look at you guys. Oh, you're beautiful.
This the squad right here.
Oh, look it. Oh, look at Daddy's gonna check you out too. And Sass is good around the puppy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Look at the dad's paws and look at his paws.
They're like the same already.
Wow, his
He
is
was
like
bigger
bigger.
than her.
He'll be
Look at
like
the paws of the
so
Daddy.
pugs can be anywhere from like 25 to 65 pounds.
Hi there.
Wow.
It's
Depends on who they take out.
Yeah. I think Dobby's got the more dominant genes, but there's some wolf characteristics.
Oh, you want to run around?
Under the car.
I want to see you run with your mommy and daddy. Are you street smart yet? What you doing?
It's hot. You haven't had one?
Oh no, you're not doing that.
Uncle Dad.
It's alright. I haven't. Listen, you always go back to them. I didn't touch a cigarette at all. No bullshit for like 2
Hey, baby.
Shh. I've been smoking for a month.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi.